So I've been coming... Let's do it again. So I've had more and more thoughts about this manifestation course I'm creating, where you can have the same type of dream experiences you have with Lucid Dream, but in the waking world. And I was really giving this more and more thought, and basically the understanding of manifestation is your thoughts, beliefs, and actions create the world around you. So anything from the building you're in to the bed you're lying on, the clothes you're wearing, these were all first thoughts that someone had, an engineer, a designer, a businessman or woman, and then they believed that they could create that product or service, and then they took the actions upon those beliefs and thoughts, and then we now have all of these creations. So I was really thinking, how could we push this idea, this concept to the limit? With the course, I think I should have a overarching financial goal. So let's say I make it 9 weeks long, so the goal will be in 63 days. So let's say I'm going to make $100,000 every single month within 63 days. And that's going to be the basis for the training. Obviously, the whole holistic version of the training is, health, wealth, happiness, and legacy. And then the financial incentive will get people interested in taking it and really applying themselves. And then I was thinking, that's a great first step, but there needs to be a bigger motive behind the $100,000 a month income, other than just the fact of being able to, help your family, support yourself, and be financially comfortable. So I was thinking, with manifestations, inventions, ideas, what are the biggest ideas, inventions I could see coming up with myself? So I created a little list right here, and I just wanted to run through this list real quick and my reasoning behind it. So I thought I'd start off with Lucid Dreaming course, which is the Lucid Accelerator. I already created that, and it helps anybody become a lucid dreamer. Even if you don't currently remember your dreams, you can get it, link below, foreverlucid.com. So I wanted to start off with a manifestation that I kind of created unknowingly at the time, that it was a manifestation. But now thinking about it, I had the thoughts that I could help others lucid dream, then I believed that I could do it, and then I took the actions upon creating that course to help people lucid dream. So I thought, now that I've created that, what are some big inventions, big goals, like Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk type inventions that would really improve and change the world in a positive way? So the first one I came up with was flying shoes. So why flying shoes? Well, for pretty much every student who's taken my lucid dreaming course, the very first thing they want to do is fly, because in your dreams, the laws of physics don't apply, so you can fly around without technology. So I was thinking, how could I represent that in the waking world, other than discovering telepathy or telekinesis? Well, is there a way where I could implement technology so anyone could experience the freedom of flying without, being attached to a jetpack or an airplane or, a glider, anything like that? So I thought, if we created a really small puck, like 3 inches in diameter, and it gave lift through electrogravitics, or some type of silent electric flying capability, and then put that in the sole of a shoe, then anyone who just put on the shoe could fly around like Superman. And it would be completely silent, unlike jetpacks where they're very noisy. But since this is electric, it would basically be asymmetric capacitors with pulsed high voltage. If you're familiar with lifters, feel free to look up lifters too. It's kind of the same basic concept, but it would be in a more of a electric motor design. And then I was thinking, if I could create that, if I could create something so small that was powerful enough to lift a human and fly them around, the cool thing about that technology is if I was able to create it and manifest it, which, you know, this whole course is about manifestation. Once I reach that 100K a month goal, I'd be able to hire the right engineers to figure out this problem and come up with a solution to where it would actually be successful. So then I thought, what would step 2 be, you know, after the flying shoes, and kind of map out the whole journey. So the second one would be a capacitor metal spacesuit. So why did I have this idea? Well, with the flying shoes, if it works the way I think it does, air resistance doesn't matter. So it would be able to work just as well as it does in Earth's atmosphere as it would in the vacuum of space. And humans can't survive in the vacuum of space. So I thought, what if I created a metal spacesuit that integrated the flying portion into it, so anyone could start off on Earth and fly into low Earth orbit. I think I'm really going to enjoy creating this manifestation course and giving people a lot of value with that. So go ahead and check the link. Depending on when you're watching this, you can access the Lucid Accelerator, which is the Lucid Dreaming course. You can access that right now. And depending on when you're watching this, you'll be able to access the manifestation course too. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. If anything I didn't cover or anything you want covered in future videos, I'm going to answer all those comments, so let me know in the comments below. Of course, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'm trying to make this YouTube channel bigger and help more people, so please subscribe. It really helps me out. All right, let's do this. Let's get started with this manifestation course. I'm excited about this.